This is Dr. Saqib Al-Sabah. So today we will see the how to install Apache HBase. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So first step is to download HBase. Here the link is given. So we need to copy this link. So this is the first step. We need to download HBase. Then we need to edit environmental variables. Then we need to configure HBase site and HBase environment. Then fourth is start HBase and fifth is open HBase. Okay, now let's do step number 1. Okay, so yes, here this is the link. We need to paste this in our browser. Okay, then here you can see HBase dash 1.4.9 dash pin dot tar dot gz. So it's 108 MB. Just click on this and it will get downloaded. So I have already downloaded this, so I don't need to download it again. Okay, so after downloading, let's go to downloads. Okay, so here is the downloads. Okay, here you can see HBase 1.4.9.bin.tar. So this will be like this. Then we need to take using 7-zip. So I am here extracting it using 7-zip. I have already extracted. So after extracting, you will get a folder like this, HBase 1.4.9 bin.tar. Open this. Then again, there's another folder, and we need to then again we need to extract it using 7-zip, or you can extract it using WinRAR. Then again it will be extracted. Then you will get HBase dash 1.4.9. then go inside and copy all, Control A, Control C. Okay, copy all, Control C. Next is let's go to our C drive. So here is my C drive. Okay, here you can see HBase. We need to create one folder HBase, create one folder HBase and paste it here. So I have created one folder HBase and I have pasted it here. Done. So we are done with the this installation. Next is step number 3. So first step is done. Next is step number 2. Let's edit our environmental variables. Okay, so let's search for env environment. So edit the system environmental variables. Okay, go to environmental variables, and these are our system variables here. Here we can see. Okay, so we have because we know we have already installed Hadoop and we have already added Hadoop these environmental variables. So our next is we need to add HBase. So here we need to add HBase home. Okay, variable name should be HBase home and variable value should be go to browse directory, go to your C C local disk C, and here there's HBase folder, and just okay and okay. So this is added. So here we can see HBase home is added. Next is let's go to path. Okay, so this is my path. In path we need to add percentage HBase underscore home percentage slash bin, just like we added Hadoop home, we added Adobe home, and we added Spark home. So we can add like this, HBase underscore home percentage slash bin. Okay, so we are done with step number 2 here. Okay, so this is step number 2 is done. Okay, we have edited environmental variable. Next is configure HBase site and HBase environmental. So we need to paste this. Just copy this. So I will provide this in one text file. Okay, so we need to copy this, Control C. Okay, next is let's go to our HBase. So here is our HBase. Go to configuration. Okay, there you can see HBase site. Just right click and edit it. You can edit it using Notepad and edit it using Notepad++. There you will find this configuration. So inside this configuration we need to paste it. Okay, Control V and Control S. Done. Okay, so we have pasted this. Okay, next is one more step is we need to configure HBase environment. So just copy this, set java home equal to C program file, where you have put this java jdk 1.8. we need to copy this and we need to go to HBase env. Okay, so now here you can see there are two files. One is HBase env, this will be .sh, and then another is HBase env.cmd. So we need to edit HBase env.cmd. Okay, edit this, and then you can paste it anywhere. So I am pasting it here. Control, then Control S. Okay, done. Okay, so step number 3 is done. Next is step number 4. We need to start HBase. We need to start HBase. Okay. Okay. Now next is let's start first Hadoop. Okay. So open command prompt, run as administrator. Okay. Go to C. Hadoop setup. Hadoop setup. Then Hadoop dash 3.2.4 and go to SPin. Next is start Hadoop, so I can write start all.cmd. Okay, then okay, so this will start Hadoop. Okay, so let's minimize all these. Then type JPS, check if all nodes are up, all daemons are up. Okay, so next is okay, data node, name node, JPS node manager, and resource manager all are up. Next is let's start HBase start. We need to start HBase. So how to start? There is this command start dash HBase.cmd and press enter. Okay. So okay, let's leave this. We need to open CMD. Let's run it as administrator. Let's go to CD HBase. Okay, CD C HBase and bin. Okay, done. Next is let's start HBase.cmd here. Okay, so this will open HBase daemon. Okay, so it's taking some time. Let's wait for it. It's taking more time. It's taking more time. It's taking more time. More time. More time. Okay, so HBase daemon has started. Okay, here HBase daemon has started. Okay, now let's type JPS. Okay, so here you can see HMaster. So HBase daemon, HMaster is also started, and other daemons are already there. So data node, name node, node manager, that means this is up. So next is final step. So final step is open HBase shell. So what's the command? HBase shell. So here, yes, HBase shell. HBase shell and press enter. Okay, so this will open the HBase shell, and then we are done with the installation. Okay, if you like this video, then please subscribe and like. Okay, so here, yeah, HBase, let's check version. Okay, yeah, version is 1.4.9. So we are done with the installation. Do subscribe.